my name is Phil, and I did an LED lighting system. My goal was to make a burn control lighting system, which is the Christmas tree type, basically. Bill, I used 5 LED, 2 buttons, 12 wires, 7 LED resistors, 1 breadboard. Sounds delicious, but it's not delicious at all. 1 Raspberry Pi and a power cable. Oh, and a lot of other cables on the computer. Program. Here's the program image. Here's the image. Here it is. Here's the code. Test. I tested about 14 times. It worked out quite smoothly. Reason. If I have more time, I will add more LEDs and get more familiar with the wires. Basically, I took a long time with the wires. Demonstration. Play. Bill?
Other side. Phil, plug out the USBs.
Just type in sudo.
Open up terminal and then press sudo item or type in sudo item.
Actually, it's all sudo.
Yeah, open up project. Recent files. So what do your buttons do, Phil?
Basically, they light
Okay.
up. But it took a long time
Okay.
for them to finish.
So any questions?
Any questions? Oh, and I'm turning this back to my slides page.
Just do one.
For questions?
And where's the hardest?
No, the mouse.
Where's my mouse?
Take the mouse.
Still okay.
No.
Oh wait, no. The hardest part is probably basically building, because I often have to cover the wires. The wires often go to the wrong place. Anyone else? You.
What's the easiest part of your
The
project?
easiest part? Well, that would be, I think it's a part where I test.
Okay. Any other questions? All right, let's give a round of applause.